rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
हेलो, बारिश आई छम छम छम, छाता लेके निकले हम, पैर फिसल गया गिर गए हम, छाता नीचे ऊपर हम. जय हिंद चिल्ड्रेन, वेलकम टू योर drawing class. Children, today we will make umbrella, cloud and raindrop. After the drawing margin, we will write classwork and date. Write here heading also. First, we will draw two cloud picture. Curve line will be draw oval shape. After this, we will make umbrella. First, we will draw semicircle. Now we will make curve line at the bottom of semicircle shape like this. After that, we will draw slanting line like this. Now we will draw the handle of umbrella. Draw two standing line and draw at last curve line and make the handle of umbrella. First of all, we will draw outline it with black crayons. After the outlining, we will color the picture. First, we will color cloud picture. Children, you can make the cloud blue, brown and black also. Children, coloring should be only left to right. Color should not exit the border line. Children, you should color it very well. Coloring should be only left to right. Children, you can color umbrella with your mind. Whatever you want, you can color it. This is your choice. At last, we will write here HW, repeat. In this way, children, you will draw umbrella, clouds and raindrops and color the picture and send it to me on G Suite.